There. Oh. Come on, come on. That is the Eiffel Tower. We still have to walk there. There. You see? There's the Eiffel Tower. Up, see? Michael! Can you see the Eiffel Tower now? Ay, Michael, no, don't move. Ay, there's also a dome there. The Golden Dome. Do you see it? What is that? Opera, yeah, we go there.
You need to pay
Ah, you need to pay?
£50 entrance. No
Huh?
spectacular to see all the way inside the palace.
Just inside. Just outside. Outside is okay. We go? No. Okay. But we're near na. We can see already eh. Did we press on the stop?
Yeah, look.
Wow. Step. Step. Oh, there it is. It's a Doha. Okay, look, there's a big bus here also, just like in London. So basically, we were caught with the police control, no? Because we didn't know that the Navigo card requires a picture.
Yeah.
You have to put your picture within 24 hours from buying it or recharging it. Oh. Michael, oh, look, Daddy, wait. Wait lang. There are guys here. Wait. Wait. Come here. Michael, look. Where's Michael? I cannot see Michael. There he is. Wait lang, oh. Napakit ang buhok mo, ah. There it is.
SASS.
Okay, so what I was saying, you have to put your picture because the police said it's a personal thing, right?
Yeah.
It's like an ID. So, it's the penalty is €50 per person. So she gave us discount.
Yeah,
Only one person paid. So it's still £50, €50. Anyway, we're here in the museum. Where's the... Wait, there's a car.
Pay attention.
Okay, thank you. Ay. Wait, there's no stoplight here. There's no stoplight now? Okay, so you have to run. Thank you. You say, merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
No, thank you.
Why not? You don't speak French. What station did we get off?
Trocadero.
Huh?
Trocadero.
Trocadero station to get here. This is Museo de la Home. Museo de l'Homme. This is the home. This is a museum. Okay. Eiffel. Uy, ma. Oh. Fix your hair, Pogi. There it is. Oh, not yet. There it is. Woohoo! The top of the Eiffel Tower is with the cloud. It's still cloudy, no? Baby, come on, baby.
Mommy,
Come on. Michael. That Eiffel Tower. Wait lang, but this is live. I'm going to end na.
Look, Michael.
Michael, look muna. I'm going to... pangit ng buhok. Wait. Yeah, you're gonna...
Look.
Wait, I'm going to finish.